all gravy with Teresa. Hey guys, this is Teresa from It's All Gravy with Teresa. We're sitting here out on our front porch. Clint's watching me and Mike's overseeing, making sure I don't say anything I'm not supposed to. It's a beautiful day here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The birds are singing, but it's hot as all get out. I am just overwhelmed with humbleness and gratitude at how many likes, shares, and comments we have gotten on this. We're just so excited. We're excited to bring new items to you, and it seems like from what feedback we're getting, just good old country cooking is what you want to see, and that's what I'm best at. So we're hoping to expand on that. We have some other ideas that we'd like to do to get the family involved in it. You know, I'm big on, especially now, I just have a burden for my children and my grandchildren to be survivors. And for that to happen, you use what you got. And very fortunate for us, we can build off of all the years we had at Teresa's, and we're excited about the things that we are wanting to do. Unfortunately, that takes cash, and you know me, when I had it, everybody had it, and if I don't have it, I don't have it. And so this is one of those things where I would love to do more, but I don't have the cash to do it. Clint is he knows about all the things out there and all the things available, and we are going to try a thing called Patreon. If you are interested in helping us further this mission and the different things that we would love to do for the public and for ourselves, give that a look. He's going to have a link at the end of the videos, starting the ones we'll start posting Wednesday. And if you are interested in helping us out, please look at that link and see what you think about it. We would truly appreciate it. We are getting ready to head to the kitchen and make some breadcrumbs. Thanks you all. See you soon. All right guys, here we are in Teresa's kitchen. It's all gravy with Teresa. And as always, we're starting with washing our hands good. We've already wiped the counters down and bleached them up good. And today we have something just really simple that maybe you didn't think about, and I didn't think about for the last few years until we're at home with these 7 people in the house, and I have lots of bread. And I don't know what you call them where you're from, but I've always called them the hill. So you have at least two of these in every loaf. Well, with my kids around here, they're loving Nutella these days. So we go through about 5 loaves of bread a week. So we have leftover hills. And also, I put in there the buns. If you have a few hamburger buns left over or a few hot dog buns left over, any bread that's stale, I just put that all together. And I keep it in my refrigerator until I'm ready to do this part. So I just take it all out here. I'm going to put it up here like this. And I'm sorry, I'm going to move again, Clint. I thought I had everything I needed. But we're just going to stack this up and make it like cubes. And there is all kinds of stuff you can use this for. You can just use it as the cubes and save it for putting on tops of soups or salads. You can sprinkle it, with butter, garlic, whatever you choose to do. Or what I have been doing is doing mine like this. I put it in a 250-degree oven set at 250 degrees. And it will probably take about 10 minutes. I bring them out and let them cool off. And then I just put them in a plastic bag. Plastic bag. Let me finish this up. I'll go ahead and put one in the oven. Since we got the oven on, I don't want to waste electricity. So the hamburger bun's the same. And again, if you wanted to keep these just like croutons, you know, it'll make you crazy when you see how easy this is. And you get these for nothing because it's leftover bread. And you go to buy a bag of croutons and they're costing you $2.20. When you can make these any flavor you want. At this stage, you would go ahead and put a little bit of butter on them, a little bit of garlic powder, or whatever your preference is. But for me, I'm going to make breadcrumbs. So we stick them right here in the oven. 250-degree oven. And I'm going to say 10 minutes, but we'll check it and see because everybody's oven heats up differently. We'll check them and see if they're getting crunchy. After they get crunchy, we're going to bring them out and let them cool. I just put mine in a plastic bag, seal it up, mash them down. Now I'm going to open it so we don't bust the bag. And then I just take a rolling pin and crush them up. And for these, I use these to put in meatloaf, to put in salmon patties, just anything you can think of that you need breadcrumbs for. Fish, if you want just a little bit of crust on your fish, we use a lot of codfish. You can just make sure that it's wet when you do it. Roll it in this, put a little bit of olive oil on your pan, and then your fish has a little bit of coating on it. So just a million ways that you can use them. Something that you were throwing away probably, if you were like me for years, that is going to save you a little bit of money for just a small amount of time. Guys, I just thank you so much. I'm so appreciative for all the likes, the shares, the comments. If you'll continue to do that, that's going to help us keep growing this thing, and we're excited to just go as far as we can go with it. So thank you for all of your help, and we'll talk to you soon. This is Teresa from It's All Gravy.